Hi, I'm Paul.
And I'm Emma, and we're from Get Smart Accountants.
Are you an electrician, a plumber or a builder?
Are you wondering how to make your business more profitable?
Then here's our top 5 tips to help you.
Number 1. We suggest you invest in trade-specific software such as Tradeify or ServiceMate. Both of these will help you price consistently on every job, increase profits and track material costs and staff hours.
Number 2. Linking Tradeify or ServiceMate to Xero and Receipt Bank will mean that you make sure you never miss recording your expenses. This can help make you more tax efficient and, if VAT registered, can reduce your VAT liabilities.
Number 3. Consider registering for VAT or becoming a limited company, as there are tax benefits to both if done correctly and at the right time.
Number 4. If you are a business registered at your home address, you can save tax by claiming a proportion of your home-related costs.
Number 5. Think about employing a member of your family as a director or a partner. You can just distribute a proportion of your income depending on your personal allowance, or you could transfer some assets or gifts, which could be tax-free.
So that's our 5 quick tips for you.